Hello students, welcome to Diademy IAS History Optional video. In this video, we are going to see what are the important books that are required for History Optional. I would like to show different books, but it is not required that you have to read all these books page by page and from starting to ending. Some books are compulsory and some books are for reference purpose because some topics are going to be dealt by specified books very well. That's why for those areas we are going to use those books. Here you can observe this. These are the books. I am Somshekar. I have given 5 times mains and 2 times interview with the history optional. I would like to show the books list in history optional. This is the syllabus. Paper 1 syllabus is given like this. 14 units this side and another up to 24. These are all paper 1 only. In paper 1, ancient plus medieval. This section talks about ancient. This section talks about medieval. When it comes to part A of that is ancient part, we have important books NCERT. NCERT we have for every part. These are the books which are very, very important for ancient India. You should not miss this. Whether GS or optional, we have to start with these books. Students who are starting very first time, if they are preparing for the first time, they have to start with this old NCERT. This is R.S. Sharma, old NCERT. That is very well explained about the ancient past in a very chronological order, in a detailed manner story format. Once you get command over this, even in history optional, many questions can be answered from this book itself. And only what is missing there is only with respect to historiography that you can supplement with some other book. But the story, the points which are important for ancient India, we will get from this book only. Don't underestimate NCERT. NCERT is going to cover many topics in a very detailed manner. These are the new NCERTs. This is old NCERT. This is new NCERT, old and new. 6th one and 12th one. In 12th, part 1 deals with ancient India. These will not deal in a chronological order, but they have dealt thematically. Themes wise, they have done very well, like religious theme, cultural part, and also some beautiful images were also given. Tables are given, maps are given very well. It is going to be helpful both in terms of mains also as well as for prelims as well. This is the first defense when it comes to our preparation ancient India. This is NCERT. Now after that, this is Dianja up to Gupta period. It has a very well manner it explained, and you will get, it's a very small book also. You can finish this book in less amount of time. This is BA history. IGNO material. The topics which are not covered by these books, we have to supplement with BA IGNO material. Because these are the topics, every topic was not covered in NCERT. That's why we have to deal with those topics which are not given in NCERT by IGNO material. In this way, it will help. But there are certain elements which the NCERTs are not. But if you start these books, it will threaten you. That's why we should not start with them in the beginning. We should start with basic books, NCERT. After doing that, then you will get the overall picture. What is ancient India? What has happened in a chronological order? And which time period came first and how it is connected with the next time period. Then you can pick up these books. These are wonderful books. First you need to read this book. Our ancient India in part A, question number 1 is about map. That map can be dealt very well by using Upinder Singh book, this book. And you need not to read full book of Romila Thapar. Certain topics which were dealt very well, you can selectively, you can choose from this. There are 2 more books for ancient part. This is just to give you wider perspective so that you will get even more deeper knowledge about ancient India. That is A.L. Basham and Jawaharlal Nehru's book, Discovery of India. But these are not the regular books which we need to study as a very deep study. They are just to go through so that you will have some different perspective how the ancient India was viewed by different eminent personalities. This is about part A. And once you're done with that, then part A of paper 1 done completely. And along with that, go through the previous year questions, then your preparation is going to complete. Next, when it comes to part B, same with respect to whatever the framework is there for ancient India, same goes for medieval also. Old NCERT and new NCERT. Old NCERT will explain very detailed manner in a chronological order. You have to read and understand this. This themes wise, new NCERT done very well. You have to do this one. Next, IGNOU material. IGNOU material will help you everywhere. Wherever the topics which are not covered by NCERT, IGNOU is the best material. And also, it explained in a very lucid manner, very clear manner, and very simple language also. That's why it's very easy to read also. That's why NCERT, IGNOU, because these are the government sources. And if government itself is prescribing certain books for particular topic, then we have to rely on that. That's why our first preparation stage starts with them. And to get more deeper knowledge, same Satish Chandra only, but these are the standard books in a bulky manner they were written. This is Delhi Sultanate and this is Mughals. And when it comes to this J.L. Mehta is, you need not to worry about every page because it dealt with political history very well. When it comes to Satish Chandra, it dealt with the socio-economic conditions very well. These socio-economic conditions, whatever that is given by Satish Chandra, you can directly write answer as it is. But when it comes to J.L. Mehta, political details will be more. When you read J.L. Mehta, if you read at least once, you will narrate, you will connect various dots in a very detailed story format manner. That will help you when it comes to J.L. Mehta. But your first priority going to be NCERT, IGNOU material, then Satish Chandra. These are the standard books. And there are some topics can be covered by this. You need not to worry about this, but it's only some questions are coming nowadays with respect to economy. But for few questions, you cannot read complete book. But for your reference, I am giving from which book these types of questions are coming. This one. And this is S. Chan. This is a book which collected a lot of facts, and historiography also you will identify. With respect to medieval India, the story, the important socio-economic, cultural developments you can understand from the previous books. But with respect to chronology and the historiography, you get from this book. You collect for each and every topic, there will be certain few historians, just collect and job is done. That is about paper 1, part B also. With that, paper 1 is done. And paper 2 syllabus, this is the syllabus. First 15 units, modern India. Remaining section is old history. When it comes to modern India, Bipin Chandra, same framework, old NCERT and new NCERT. Once it is done, in modern India, many quotes related questions used to come. Those quotes you can directly pick up from this book, S. Chand only, Modern Indian History, that is by B.L. Grover. So Grover book, very, very important book for collection of the quotations. Quotes can be collected from this book and you use multiple quotes in different answers. This is very story format, very beautifully narrated story. What is the independence struggle? This book is the combination of this and this in terms of quotations also will be given, and also this book is good till 1857 revolt. This book is good from 1857 revolt. But this book topic talks about since advent of Europeans till partition. So this is how from Plassey to partition, from the advent of Europeans to till independence. This is another perspective, another book which gives a wider perspective. Sometimes quotes are coming from this book. That's why I have mentioned Sumit Sarkar, but it is not compulsory to read. This is also a reference. We have also syllabus post-independence. To deal with the post-independence questions, these are the books. But you need not to worry about the standard first NCERT, then India since independence, Bipin Chandra, then India after Gandhi, that is Ramachandra Guha. But your first priority should be NCERT, then Bipin Chandra, then you go for Guha. This is the sequence. Otherwise, if you start taking this and it appears very bulky, no matter how many days you study, still you feel that in terms of syllabus will not move. First priority should be to focus syllabus. Old history, same framework, NCERT first. These are NCERTs are there, 9th standard, 10th standard and 11th standard. And next, post this one, contemporary world politics NCERT, this is Arjun Dev. They cover very well, but they will not finish the entire syllabus. They are very small booklets, you can finish very fastly. You will get comprehensive picture. Next, these are the books, Mukherjee, L. Mukherjee, very beautifully written, narrated very well. Since French Revolution, you will get very good overview about the entire world history. Since French Revolution till 1950, that is Second World War. This is a book which is given in a systematic and syllabus wise. This is Jain and Mathur. Syllabus wise, like chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 2, whatever our syllabus says. Like you see, this is the syllabus: Enlightenment, Origin of Modern Politics, Disintegration of Soviet Union. Like that, 16 to 27. This book covers in the same manner. And if you feel somewhat difficulty in this, you can go through this book. And these are the other two important books. This is Ranjan Chakrabarti. This also talks from Enlightenment phase 2 till World War, Second World War. And this book particularly from the First World War to till European Union. When it comes to world history, start with NCERT. They are very small booklets. You will finish very fastly. Thereafter, you pick up these books. Because when it comes to world history, you need a very lucid book. That lucid book is this one. And they can be done very fastly also. You go through that. After going through this, then you pick up this book, Ranjan Chakrabarti. The moment you are going to read this book, already by this time you already know entire story. And only the topics which are not mentioned in the previous one, and you pick up. Later, if you get time, then you pick up these books as well. This is the sequence. You can go through this. For the map pointing, this book is very, very important. Map pointing is very, very crucial. This book will help you a lot. So these are various books for history optional. So please start with NCERT. In every part, NCERT is the base. Once you start with NCERT, then you will get command over the syllabus. So these are various books for history optional. Thank you. Thank you very much.